Hey there, this is John Poltrock with the Poltrock team at RE/MAX, Murphy's #1 real estate team. And I'm at a brand new construction that's getting close to being done, and I wanted you to be able to see the inside of this. It's still a shell inside, but it will be done here in the next couple months. So check it out. This home is incredible. It's on Whitaker Lane, and it's very close to town in what we call locally the old golf course area. And I'm gonna go to wide angle so you can see this home a little bit better. Now, one of the nice things with this is it's designed to be very low maintenance. You've got your metal roof up top. You've got what's called LP siding, which is wonderful. Those of you that don't like the maintenance to wood or cabin type homes, this stuff you'll love. It's designed to be painted. It is a wood product called LP, but it is designed to be painted, and it literally is designed to last 8 to 10 years between paintings. And it really is a great product. This is an excellent floor plan. You walk in with your great room, your fireplace. This will have your kitchen over here, so it's got a nice open feel. As you go down the hallway, you've got your guest bathroom. And it's also going to have your laundry area right inside a frame here. This is a great layout for your extra bedroom. This is perfect for family members, for an office, whatever you need. This bedroom really is handy to have because you can use it for literally anything you need. The Master Suite is right here. And it's a true Master Suite. You've got your walk-in closet. You've got your private bath. Huge vaulted ceiling, so that way you've got the nice open feel to the home. Here's going to be your bathroom and your walk-in closet. And with quick access to town, you cannot find a more convenient location. I mean, this really is a wonderful spot. Oh, let me show you the porch. I almost forgot. Look at that beautiful tongue groove ceiling. There are, of course, going to be rails here on both sides. It's just not done yet. But look how gentle the land is. You know, I know finding land around here that is not steep or hugely sloping can be challenging. But this is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And look at those ferns. Be sure to click on the pictures to make sure you see the entire house completely finished, because this is a great design. And in just a few months, this thing will be a brand spanking new home looking for you to move in. If you can, give us a call with any questions, comments, or concerns, and we'll be happy to take care of you.